Hi boys and girls, welcome back. It's time to assemble our cakes now. I've already made my buttercream, so you don't have to sit and watch that. I'll just send you the recipe on how to make buttercream. And so to get started, I have my 2 rounds of cake right here, nice and cooled. Make sure that they're cooled. I'm now going to use a biscuit cutter, and I'm going to just press a circle down into, I may have to cut it gently with a knife, just because sometimes it's hard to get it out. Might have to help it down a little bit, because these cakes are just super moist. Okay, so that has come out, and I should have a little round of cake. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the red cake. I'm going to just put it down, and I'm going to just help it along. I'm just going to go around with my knife just to help it along a little bit, like so. Help it down. I don't want to push too hard. I don't want to damage the cake. And now a little piece of red cake comes out. Now this is a pretty thick piece of cake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the cake in half, gently like this. So now that I have 2 equal halves, I'm just going to set it over here on the side, and I'm going to cut my white cake in half because it's pretty thick if we try to eat it just like that. So I'm going to take my red cake, I'm going to put a little bit of frosting on top, just like that, and spread it around of my buttercream. I'm going to put my white cake on top and spread a little more frosting on top. Now the cooler your cakes are, the easier it's going to be to spread the buttercream, and mine are still a little bit warm. But somebody in this house is really impatient for cake. I'm now going to put my red on top and add some more buttercream on top. I'm going to put a couple fresh blueberries right on top. And as I pick it up to show you, we have a little red, white, and blue mini cake that you can share with your family. And this will make several little mini cakes. I hope you have fun this Memorial Day making your red, white, and blue mini cakes. Bye-bye. Thanks for baking with me.